So let's get going. To check the interface line status and configure the clocking rate, first you need to log on to router 1. We'll enable privilege mode and then next use the show running configuration command to figure out the running configurations. You will see that it details the existing running configurations of the router, such as the iOS version, the host name, and other parameters. To proceed, press Enter. See this? We have the details of various interfaces. Here you see the 0/0, the fast Ethernet port. Note that it has an IP address of 172.16.1.1 with a subnet of 255.255.255.0. The port speed and duplex, they're set to auto. Moving ahead, we have another fast Ethernet port, the 0/1. You will note that it has no IP address configured. Further on, you see the 0/1/0 or the serial interface. Its IP address is 172.16.2.1. The subnet is 255.255.255.0 and its clock rate is 2 million. Normally, the router determines whether you're using a DCE or DTE connection and uses the clock rate if needed. But if you're using the serial interface and are acting as the DCE, then you must have a clocking on a serial interface to link up a connection. To proceed to the end of the running configuration details, continue pressing Enter. You're now back to the privilege mode. Now let's figure out more details of the configurations for the serial interface 0/1/0. Use the command show interface. Key in show interface serial 0/1/0. This will display detailed information of a physical interface or a sub-interface of the serial port 0/1/0 of the router. It will also help to figure out the data link protocol configured for the serial interface 0/1/0. You can see this here. It displays encapsulation HDLC, which means we have HDLC as the default data link protocol for the serial interface 0/1/0 here on router 1. Next, we'll use the exit command and move out of the router 1 CLI. We now have router 1 ready. You'll now need to do the same exercise for the second router, router 2.